Hello children. So let's start with our English subject. Today we are going to start a new poem, The Patriot by Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott was born on 15th August 1771. He was Scottish historical poet, novelist, playwright, etc. He died on 21st September 1832. In this poem, he describes the journey of a person who does not possess any love or patriotic feelings towards his motherland. I'll read the poem. Breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath said, This is my own, my native land, whose heart hath never with him burned. As home his footsteps he had turned, from wandering on a foreign strand. If such their breath go, mark him well, for him no minstrel raptures well. High though his title, proud his name, boundless his wealth as wish can claim. Despise those titles, power and pelf, the wretch concentrate all in self. Living shall forfeit fair renown, and doubly dying shall go down. To the vile dust from whence he sprung, unwept, unhonored, and unsung. Poet is saying there is a man who is physically alive as he is breathing, but emotionally he is dead because his soul is dead. A person with dead soul is the one who has never told himself that his motherland his own native land, whose heart had never with him burned. The poet means that who is that person who has no heart? Who is the person whose heart is burned or destroyed within him? Home his footsteps he had turned, from wandering on a foreign strand. These two lines are the answer to previous question. According to him, if a person does not return to his native land or is lost within environment of foreign country, the person lacks a heart, means he does not have a heart. Their breath go, mark him well, for him no minstrel raptures well. The poet says, if you find such person who has no love for his motherland, you can blame him. Minstrel means traditional singer who wanders, means go from place to place singing songs that are extremely emotional with touchy for his living. Rapture means no poet would sing about him. Poet means no minstrel, means poet is going to sing a song for him and about him. No poet will show his happiness in his singing. Though his titles proud his name, boundless his wealth as wish can claim. Even though a person is extremely rich, has a fame, and is proud of his name, despite of all these wealth, prestige and powers, he is a miserable person. Despite those titles, power and pelf, the wretch concentrate all in self. A miserable person who concentrated only about himself, means selfish person. He is a poor person despite of all his richness. Shall forfeit fair renown, and doubly dying shall go down. He is alive, but he will lose his fame. Doubly dying, poet means that such an patriotic person dies twice. Once he dies due to his physical death, when his breathing is stopped. Next, he is not remembered by anyone after his death. While the dust from whence he sprang, unwept, unhonored, and unsung, that person will die from the memory of the people. His dead body turns into an ash, and it mixes with the dirt within the ground from where he learnt to crawl. No one drops tears on his death, and no one honors him at the time of his funeral, and no one is there to tell the funeral prayer, and nobody will remember him after his death. Children, this is the poem The Patriot, written by Sir Walter Scott. Short summary: the poet describes the plight of a person who does not possess any love or patriotic feelings towards his motherland. The person who does not have patriotism is like a dead man, though he has got high titles and proud of his name, boundless his wealth, but everything is in vain if he is not having any patriotic feeling in his heart. Thank you.